What do we mean by an angular position? Here's my circle, the center. Here's the radius. Okay? And you guys working in calculus, you probably know about all this radius stuff, right? That theta right there is how many radians? 0, right? How about up here? How many radians is that? Huh?
0.
You guys don't know. All right, let's define the radian. Radian is defined as what?
Pi over 2.
Pi over 2 what?
Is that the radius for that one?
Pi over 2 what?
90 degrees.
Pi over 2
Oh, okay.
of a revolution. What's a revolution? One time around. So,
That's pi over 2.
This is pi over 2.
Yes.
What is this one?
Pi.
What is this one?
3 pi. It's 3 pi over 2.
What is this one?
Pi over 4.
How do you know that?
Because it's 45 degrees.
Who told you that?
Math class?
It looks
I didn't tell you it's 45. Alright, let's say it's 45.
Alright, this is pi over 4.
Alright, so that's pi over 4, right? If it's 45.
If it's 45.
Alright, let's see. What is this one?
If it's 30 degrees.
What is this one?
If it's 30, then
If
it's
it's
pi
30,
over
it's
Okay, let's say it's not 30 degrees. Let's say it's 20 degrees.
2 times it plus pi over 180.
Huh?
2 times it plus pi over 180.
Oh, you got 5 or 9.
You said it's 20 degrees?
Uh-huh.
20 times 20 divided by
20 divided by 180.
Here's what we know. You guys know that 2 pi is 260, right?
Yeah.
You know that, right? Or some of you know that pi is 180. Same thing. Agree? Alright? So if I know that my angle is 20 degrees, theta is 20 degrees, how much is that in pi? In terms of pi.
Pi over 9.
Oh, you got that. That's very good. Does anybody know how to do that? Who does? Don't be shy. Okay, that's what I'm here for, right? All you got to do is do a little ratio, right? You can do theta over 2 pi is equal to 20 over 360. Are you with me?
Yeah.
But you don't even have to do 2 pi. You can do pi. But if you do pi, you do what? So theta, if I do my algebra, I'm trying to find an expression for theta, okay? So that's going to give me 1/9, right? So that means theta is going to be 1/9 times pi, which is the same thing as pi over 9. Those guys, those of you who are doing calculus, you know how to do it. So it's not always going to be those nice 45 degrees and then 90 degree and then 30 degree, okay? You got to know how to do this regardless of the angle that you are given. Because in this section, when we talk about displacement, we're talking about displacement in terms of radians, not degrees. Follow me? Follow me? So, right here, if I call this, let's call this theta 1, and this theta 2. Or Let's call this my initial position and my final angular position. My initial position is pi over 4. My final angular position is pi over 2. What's my displacement? My displacement. Why? The way you define displacement, angular displacement this time, that's what we're talking about. Angular displacement, which is delta theta, is equal to theta final minus